Yeah.
Breezm, I like that name. That's a good name. That's a good name. So.
Thank you so much, Jeffrey.
Is this glasses?
Yes, it's custom made.
So I need new glasses right here.
I
Is that what
saw
you're saying?
you have a very long temples. So,
Yeah. Long temples. I've never been told I have long temples.
No, I mean your glasses have long temples because your ears are behind.
My ears are behind. Yeah. So, all right.
Yeah.
So let's make some glasses. Tell me about this program.
Yeah. So as I just told you, like everybody has a different basis.
Yeah.
But there has been only one size in terms of glasses.
Yeah.
But we respect this diversity. So we 3D print custom glasses based on 3D scan data from our customers' faces.
Really?
So basically, everybody has the right to choose the right size and right fit for them.
Okay.
So that's what we are doing now.
Okay.
So this is our first generation product. So this is a 3D printed polyamide.
Nice.
So even nylon.
I like those.
And the temples are made of titanium. So
Wow.
it's very flexible and light.
Okay.
And this is our second generation, which is made of full titanium. We use laser cutting technology
Okay.
to produce customized glasses for each consumer.
Okay.
Yeah. So we launched in Korea 3 years ago.
Can't put it on there. There we go. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
We launched in Korea 3 years ago, and we have 5 offline stores, serving 12,000 consumers so far. But we want to expand to US market,
All right.
where there are much bigger diversity in terms of race and facial.
Got
types.
it. Got it.
And we want to try with the mobile commerce. So we are launching our app
All right.
in March, with which you can 3D scan your face, so you can virtual try on our glasses.
All right.
And one of our features is that you can compare 4 different styles with one shot.
4 different styles with one
like
shot.
this. Yeah.
That's
So-
awesome. Yeah.
So you can share it through Facebook, get your friends' feedback.
Yeah, that was the one thing is when I did try on these glasses virtually, but every time I had to go to a different page, come back,
Right.
and then I didn't know what the last one looked like as opposed to this one. So I like that being able to do 4 different pairs of glasses at the same time. So
Actually, you can put them in your tray up to 8 pieces.
Okay.
So you can
full
compare.
comparison. So
Yeah.
so this is out right now already.
Coming in March.
Coming in March.
So we will start crowdfunding at Indiegogo.
Okay, that's you're going to crowdfund in March.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what's the goal price for this?
$199 US for frame.
Okay.
So it takes about 3 weeks. So if you want place an order through the app, we'll manufacture it in South Korea and ship it to your home.
Okay.
Within 3 weeks.
I'm assuming that you'll have a U.S. distribution office by that time, so
if we have
bring the
enough
cost down.
demand,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah.
All right. Cool. And that's why you're here at CES, of course.
Also, we are preparing ourselves to open the first offline store in Palo Alto area.
Okay.
Early next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Cool. Well, that's awesome. Breezm.
Yeah.
Does that mean anything, or?
It's a combination of a Breeze and Prism.
Oh, okay.
So it's as comfortable as Breeze, but we have the expertise in optical.
Yeah, nice little mashup. Yeah. All right.
Thank you so
Well, thank you very much. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
All right.
Thank you.